Morning, guys. My name is Raz. I'm speaking from American Institute, and I am at American Barabanki now. So I have a good student, and his name is Ayush. He has completed only 1 month in American Institute. So today I'm gonna share something with him, and I will ask about his life, his career, and his education. So let's start, guys. So hi Ayush, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, and how's your life?
My life is fantastic.
That's very nice. So, are you coming American regularly?
Yeah, I'm in American regularly.
That's very nice. So, how many members are there in your family?
There are 5 members in my family if I live there, but total there are 7 to 9 members in my family.
You can say it's a joint family, all right?
Yeah, it is joint family.
That's very nice. So, are you coming in American evening time or morning time?
I'm coming in American evening time.
Evening time, okay. What time do you come to American?
I come at 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Sir, actually, when I came in American before, actually, if I talk about, so before 2 months I came here, and I saw you before 1 month. So, is there any change inside the Ayush after coming here? What do you think about your English now? It has been changed.
Yeah, my English has changed a lot because I have learned many more things in the field of English and I am very good because I know many more things about English and I'm going to be a good English speaker.
That's very nice. So, you know about I'm going to organize seminar next week. So, are you ready for it?
Yeah, I am ready and I am preparing a chart upon
Very
it.
nice, very nice. So, you will be a winner there?
I think so.
That's very nice. So, Ayush, who motivates you? Because sometimes I get tired or I feel bored and I feel like my life is too hectic. I don't want to do anything. So, who motivates you at your home or anywhere? I don't know. So, you tell about.
There are my friends who motivates me, but the person who motivates me the most is my father because he tells me if you want to do anything you should do. I don't ground you because it's your thing. You what you think, it's your choice. You can do anything if you want. And second things, I have games, so whenever I get tired I play games and my tiredness is gone.
As you said that when you get tired, you play games. So, what game do you like the most?
I like Garena Free Fire.
Okay, okay. So, actually, if I talk about outdoor games, so what game do you like the most?
I like cricket the most.
Okay, so IPL is going on now. So, what player do you like the most now?
I am from the LSG, so Mayank Yadav or RCB Virat Kohli.
RCB. So, who is gonna be been actually in this IPL? Which team are you going to support?
Like Lucknow is already like out and RCB, I think RCB is going to be in playoff, but RCB is not going to be playoff, then KKR is going to be the winner according to me.
KKR, that's nice. Okay. So, tell me the one things. If I talk about your life, so everything is okay. God bless you. But what is the biggest problem in your life, which you want to like get rid of?
The biggest problem in my life is my laziness.
Okay.
I am quite lazy.
So this is the main problem. So did you get the solution about it, or are you are looking for something?
Especially in nowadays like summer vacation, mostly people get lazy. So I am not going to get a solution because I am lazy. And secondly, there is holiday of our school, so being lazy is a good thing for me.
I am just I have been seeing you for 1 month. You come here by cycle. So you I think get tired to come here.
No, I enjoy with coming to cycle.
Okay, so that's very nice. So are you sick of your family?
Definitely not. I am not sick of my family.
So tell about two strength inside your mother which you like the most.
The distance instance in my mother is that she never discourages me. She always says to me, you should do that. If I say to my mother, I will not do that, then she will say to me, you should do that. She forces me to do that, and after doing that, I thank my mother because she forced me to do this. Otherwise, I will not be there where I am currently.
That's very nice. Acha, you tell me one thing. Every person have a dream in his bright future. So, what will you give to your mother? What can be the precious gift which you wanna give to your mother in upcoming future after getting successful or after getting getting job?
I want to give my mother a very precious life in which she doesn't have to work, she can live freely, she can go anywhere without permission of taking anywhere, and she can live a luxurious life.
Okay, when she does work actually at home, so you feel like she's doing a lot of work at home, right? So you feel like there should be someone who can help her in a kitchen and all the domestic works. So nice meeting you, Ayush, and especially I want to pay thanks to you to be a part of American Institute because you are a good student and you came here. It's my pleasure, and I always try to give you something whatever I have, and thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Would you like to say something at last?
It was a fantastic interview.
Okay, thank you so much.